Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to show you how to solve the question for example number 3, which is for hydraulic power booster system. So look at for the question. Figure above shows a pressure booster system used to drive a load F using a hydraulic cylinder. So the data was given, and also what you need to do is to determine the load carrying F of the system. This is the main you want to determine here, which is the F required to carrying load. So first we need to analyze the system. So this system use air to hydraulic, which is to supply a high pressure oil here into higher hydraulic pressure that is needed for a required operating cylinder. So which mean here air enter the booster cylinder. This is the air will enter the booster cylinder, and it will extend the booster piston or booster ram. It will extend the booster piston to going to the other side, and then transfer the oil into this hydraulic cylinder, then extend the piston rod to going upward. And also what you need to alert here is about the is about the piston, is about the Pascal law, which is happen here. P2 equal to P3 here. This is the Pascal law. Okay, so by meaning P2 here is equal with the P3, and also the F1 here is equal to the F2. What else? And also here F3 equal to the F here. Okay, as we know, you need to find the F, so the F will become the F3. So we know that F equal to P3 equal to A3. But the P3 is not given by the data here. It just have the for the P1 and also the area for each of the piston. So the area for the piston 3 we can calculate from the data given, but we don't have the pressure at the point at the piston 3. What you need to do is we use the Pascal law here, which means P2 equal to P3. So the P3 here will come from the force. Alright, so what we need to do adalah F2 equal to F3, so which mean here P2 so yeah, it's become P1 A1 P1 equal to sorry, it's not a 2, it become 2, sorry 2, so it will become A2 P2, and then we need to find the P2 A1 P1, it will become A2, then the end you will get the Pascals ini. Then the answer, the next answer, you can get the 2000 kilopascal. So now we have the P2 here. Then we can use P2 as a P3. Then the last one is F P2 equal to P3. Then you have 2000 kilopascal, which means you can calculate with the area here A3. And at the end, the A3 is given. For the A3, you need to convert centimeter squared into the meter squared, which means here 50 power of negative 2 meter squared, then it becomes 50 power of negative 4 meter squared. Then with this value meter squared, we can substitute into A3 here, and the end you can get the answer for 10,000 10 kilonewton, the final answer. Which means the other for the A1 and A2 you need also to convert to meter squared, then substitute into the A1 and also the A2, then the end you can get the answer for the force that required for the system is 10 kilonewton. I think that's all. If you have any question regarding this hydraulic power booster, you can directly ask your lecturer. That's all for now. Thank you.